Hey YouTube, it's Grawlys. I'm here with a series of videos about runes and their basic meanings. Not only of interest to Warhammer 40,000 Space Wolves players, but also anybody with just a general interest in Vikings and Norse mythology and their method of writing. So, enjoy. In this video we're going to focus on the second part of Freyas Aett, which is runes 5 to 8. This second part of Freyas Aett, we continue with a rune that looks like the letter R, and indeed Rado, it does have R as the letter that it represents. Rado is a rune which is all about journeys in evolution. It's about getting to places, whether that is a physical journey or a spiritual one or an emotional one. It's about getting from point A to point B. The next rune looks like a, is that the greater than symbol? No, less than, greater than, one of the, I can never remember which way around they are. But this is just one way of writing the rune that is known as Kenaz, or Ken. Now this is quite interesting because many of Scots out there might understand the phrase to ken, to understand, to kind of, I get it. Yeah. Now it represents the letters C and K, but to ken is this is where this rune kind of kicks in. It's the rune of creativity and the guiding light. The guiding light being the one that's like, actually I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Yeah, and I know where I'm going, I understand it, I kind of get where I'm going. Creativity, it's like that passion, that spark. Ken actually represents the torch that lights the way. The next rune looks like an X, but it's not pronounced like an X. This is GIFU, or Gebo. There's different pronunciations depending on which Futhark that you're actually looking at. But this represents the letter G. Now GIFU is the rune that's associated with passion and gifts, giving and receiving. There's sexual energy that kind of surrounds GIFU as well, so it's quite an energetic rune to be able to write or have. The next rune looks like a P, but it's not a P. This is Wunjo, or Win. This is the letter W in our modern alphabet, and it represents joy and happiness. It's that real kind of feel-good factor when Wunjo is in the equation, and it's associated with all the kind of positivity and the runes that kind of attract abundance and make you feel good about yourself. That concludes Freyas Aett. The next video we'll move on to Heimdall's Aett.